Hi friends, it's Joan at 10 Pentacles Tarot, and today I'm going to review for you the Wild Whiskers Spirit Animal Oracle. This is a brand new one for me. It's a 2022 deck, and it comes in a nice two-piece box, nice cardboard. I think the artwork is beautiful. It says a 60-card deck by FAINA LORAH, and I believe she is out of Cincinnati, Ohio. This is what the side, the end, and the other side looks like. It says, Wild Whiskers deck. Go on a journey of discovery with this beautiful deck of watercolor paintings by award-winning artist FAINA LORAH. Draw cards daily for inspiration and spiritual insight. Each card includes symbolic words and an incantation for summoning spirit animal energy. Use these cards during spellcasting and divination for a magical boost. The Wild Whiskers deck includes 60 cards with gorgeous watercolor images and an instructional booklet. Okay, and it says Wild Whiskers Spirit Animal Oracle deck. Oh, copyright 2021. I'm just seeing this now. It's 2021, my mistake. And this is the second edition, so I had not seen this before. Please let me know if you've seen it before or if it's new to you as well. And then here it says the Wild Whiskers deck can be used as part of a meditation practice, and it may be used during spell work, after setting up an altar, meditating on the words, of course, and there's more information. And then the spirit animal symbolism is below. Each card is listed alphabetically, and you can read about its symbolism here. We'll do a one card reading at the end so you can get an idea of how this is written. It's very small, but pretty much to the point. So that's that. There is no other guidebook at all. And I believe this deck was, you know, I don't know the price. It was between $25 and $30. I'm not sure which. So this is what the cards look like. They're really heavy cardstock. Medium to heavy. This is what the back looks like. So that's on all the cards. That's kind of an unusual back for a card. And this is what the front looks like. So let me show you the cards individually. The sides are black, which looks kind of really nice. I like that. All right, and the artwork is very nice. So at the top you have the name of the card, you have the 3 keywords, and you have the incantation at the bottom. So we have Devoted Dog, Brave Bat. Let me get where you can see that. I hope you can see that. Okay, we have Wondrous Whale, Benevolent Bull. He looks very benevolent with those flowers, doesn't he? We have, I'm sorry, for some reason. Okay, that seems good right there. Clever Crow, Barging Badger, Grounded Goat, Mystical Moth, Spunky Squirrel, Delightful Deer, Rowdy Rooster, Plucky Possum, Prosperous Pig, Crafty Crocodile. Let me see if I can get him closer here. Majestic Moose, Loyal Llama, Lofty Lion, Observant Octopus, Optimistic Otter, Calm Chameleon, Orderly Owl, Adaptable Armadillo, Loving Lobster, Magical Moon, Honorable Horse, Graceful Giraffe, Earnest Elephant, Brawny Bear. Oops, I dropped one. Sorry about that. I dropped the Busy Beaver. There it is. Fabulous Flamingo, Hasty hummingbird, playful penguin, stealthy shark, tenacious tiger, tranquil turtle, dignified dragon, jolly jellyfish, mischievous monkey, kind koala, delicate dove, modest mouse, serpent sage, sassy skunk, humble honeybee, proud peacock, frolicking fox, cautious crab, curious cat, daring dragonfly, noble narwhal, fearless frog, sensitive sloth, warrior wolf, wise walrus, happy hedgehog, serene swan, resourceful rabbit, roguish raccoon, beautiful butterfly, and elegant eagle. You know what I was just thinking? If you wanted to buy this, I don't even know. Let me see if there's any publisher information on this. I think I should have, I guess look up FAINA, LORAH, FAINA, LORAH. Oh, www.artbyfaina.com. I'll put that in the description box as well. All right, good. So let's see how these shuffle. And there are no reverse meanings, so we don't need to worry about that. All right, they're stiff right now because they're brand new, but they shuffle nicely. They don't seem to be sticking together. All right, let's see if they shuffle this way. All right, so let's draw a card so you can see the entire, what's written on the card, and as well as what's written in the description pamphlet. So, all right, so Spirit, what do the viewers need to think about today? What animal has a message for the viewers today? What animal has a message for the viewers? Oh, that one flipped over. It is the observant octopus. So let's see what the observant octopus has to say. That's what the card looks like up close. And let me read. So on the card it says, observant octopus, complexity, multitasking, and ingenuity. Those are the keywords. And then at the bottom, it says, shape-shifting guardian of the sea, grant me the power of transformation. All right, so that is your card. That's what's on it. So let's look up observant octopus under M. Here it is. It says, an incredibly intelligent creature with 9 brains. When a situation involves complexity, call on the spirit of the octopus for help with multitasking and ingenuity. All right, so call on the spirit of the octopus for help when something is complex, if it involves multitasking or ingenuity. All right, very nice. So this is a lot like a spirit animal deck where, it's about calling on the powers or the medicine of each animal to help you out in certain situations. So, very nice. I really do like the artwork on this. All right, I sort of wish there was a more involved guidebook, but, you know, that's not a deal breaker. It's a really nice deck, well made, beautiful looking, and that's it. That is my review of the 2021, actually, which I thought was 2022, Wild Whiskers Spirit Animal Oracle by FAINA, LORAH. And information to contact her or to get more information on the deck, I'll include it in the description box below. Alright, so that's it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free for you and it would help me out a lot. Plus, if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video is released and you won't miss a thing. So I want to thank you for joining me. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever it is where you are, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.